The internet has revolutionized how we live, work, and earn. In 2024, making money online is not just a trend. It's an opportunity for anyone with an internet connection and a little determination. If you're a beginner, this guide will walk you through step-by-step methods to kickstart your online money-making journey. Understand your goals and skills. Before diving in, reflect on your goals. Are you looking for a full-time income or a side hustle? What skills do you already have? Writing, designing, teaching, or even organizing tasks can all be turned into online income streams. Identifying your strengths will help you choose the right path. Freelancing, your gateway to online income. One of the easiest ways to start making money online is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking services like graphic design, content writing, social media management, and more. Step 1. Create a strong profile highlighting your skills and experience. Step 2. Start with small projects to build your portfolio. Step 3. Deliver quality work to earn positive reviews and attract more clients. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect for beginners. By promoting products or services, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great starting points. Step 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Step 2. Share affiliate links through blogs, social media, or YouTube videos. Step 3. Track your progress and optimize your content to boost sales. Create and sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, and printables have high earning potential. They require upfront effort but can generate passive income over time. Step 1. Identify a problem and create a product that solves it. Step 2. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy to sell your products. Step 3. Market your product through social media, email marketing, or collaborations. Start a blog. Blogging remains one of the most popular ways to make money online. It allows you to share your expertise and earn through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche, e.g., health, travel, or finance. Step 2. Build a blog using platforms like WordPress or Wix. Step 3. Publish quality content regularly to attract readers. Monetize once your blog gains traffic. Sell products through dropshipping. Dropshipping lets you sell products without holding inventory. You act as the middleman between the supplier and customer, focusing on marketing and customer service. Step 1. Select a niche and find reliable suppliers, e.g. AliExpress, Spocket. Step 2. Set up an online store using Shopify or WooCommerce. Step 3. Market your store through social media ads or influencers. Monetize your social media accounts. If you have an active presence on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, turn it into an income stream. Step 1. Choose a niche and create engaging content. Step 2. Collaborate with brands for sponsored posts. Step 3. Monetize further through affiliate marketing or merchandise. Earn through online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, online tutoring can be highly rewarding. Platforms like Tutor.com, VipKid, and Udemy allow you to teach students worldwide. Step 1. Determine your area of expertise. Step 2. Create a course or offer live sessions. Step 3. Promote your tutoring services to reach more students. Participate in online surveys and market research. While not a high-income method, participating in surveys and research studies can provide extra cash. Websites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks are reliable options. Step 1. Sign up on trusted survey platforms. Step 2. Complete surveys or tasks to earn points. Step 3. Redeem points for cash or gift cards. 10. Start your YouTube channel. Video content is king in 2024, and YouTube remains a powerful platform for making money online. Step 1. Pick a niche that aligns with your interests and audience needs. Step 2. Create high-quality, engaging videos consistently. Step 3. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Final thoughts. Making money online is achievable for anyone willing to learn and put in the effort. Start with 1 or 2 methods, build your skills, and expand as you gain confidence. Whether you aim for passive income or a full-time career, the online world offers endless opportunities to turn your dreams into reality.